Welcome back, everyone. I just got done road testing the HRV, and I wanted to just pop a little video out on how important it is for you to service any transmission fluid, especially CVT. So this was one of the output speed shaft sensors that's full of metal. So do you think that this could have potentially been avoided from a transmission replacement by replacing the transmission fluid? I'm going to even say don't even do it at 30,000. Do it at 20,000 miles on a CVT transmission. If you're driving your vehicle every day, short trips or long trips, I don't care, on a constantly slipping transmission, that trans fluid needs to be serviced at 20,000 miles. For some of these other vehicles out here that take ATF, I would say no later than 30,000 miles, depending on the use. So if you're an Uber or driver or a scrapper or a delivery guy or a tow guy or a plow guy, all those maintenance intervals go right out the window. That's called extreme severe service, and you should be doing it way sooner. This isn't really this customer's fault, but I can tell you probably if you talk to everybody in the world, it'd be a very small percentage of people who are doing power steering flush, transmission flush, EPS fluid flush. Now you have that. Electronic power steering pumps have fluid in it, differentials transfer cased, rear diffs, CVTs. How many people you really think are doing all those services? I'm going to tell you, not many. I mean, most of the people here that we advise are doing them. But typically it's too late if you're trying to service a transmission that hasn't been serviced. And this CVT transmission, and CVTs are in a lot of vehicles today, that they aren't cheap. They are just as much as a regular ATF transmission, if not more. The dealership was like $7,000 for the new transmission. And you can get some reman crap online that you have no idea what you're getting and roll the dice. But what happens if it doesn't work and there's a problem? You're so screwed after spending a day's worth of labor to swap it in and out to know that it's not going to work. And if you buy local or use a local trans shop, not that you have 100% protection, but at least you have a place that you can go to and hope to work through any issues or problems. It is crazy what a few $100 service of fluid could save you $6,000–7,000 in headaches. So here's my advice, everyone. Do the maintenance, especially on your new cars. You got an older car, sometimes they hold up better because they hold more fluid. The vehicles have less technology. The world has changed so much. You don't have so many Uber drivers. You don't have so many Lyft drivers and cab drivers and people in a hurry to go everywhere. And the vehicles are made very cheap and poorly today. That's a fact. All right, so heed my warning. Do the maintenance.